Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to know what a 1099 consolidated tax statement is, you're in the right place. So let us jump straight in. What exactly is the 1099 consolidated tax statement? Well, it's like a tax report card. It combines several different 1099 forms into one neat package. This is the 1099 div, the 1099 MISC, the 1099B, and then on the other side of this page, or alternatively another page, you will have the 1099 int and the 1099 OID. So each one of these forms reports specific types of income or transactions. This consolidated statement shows all your reportable income and transactions for the tax year. Usually your brokerage or financial institution sends it to you by sort of end February. Sometimes you might receive a second corrected statement in March or April, especially if you have overseas investments. If this was helpful, drop us a like. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. We'll see you in another awesome video.